Welcome in, beautiful soul. I want you to breathe. Watch me set up very quickly and choose piles 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go. For group 1, I really want you to know your dreams can come true. You're wanting to attract that true heart, and the dream is on its way. The energy is gaining momentum. Watch out for anybody who's intimidating or imitating. Look for the true heart, review your goals, and be patient as you wait for your results to come in of the efforts and the plans that you lay forward. It is a good time to reevaluate your goals and get ready for new relations, new horizons, new clients, just a lot of new beginnings for you. Group 2, there's a deep sense of wanting the happy ever after. So maybe you're in a relationship, maybe you're even married, but you're sort of lacking the wholeness that you are desiring. And I need you to understand that comes from the oneness within you. Remember to be practical and realistic, but still wanting this deep connection. New starts are coming. And you're reviewing the past, which can be a good thing, but you need to do it and let go and let new perspectives come in. It will upgrade your consciousness so you can use these ideas and plans for the future. Put them in place and expedite its arrival. For group 3, I see you're dealing with a very sudden change, and there's some secrets and mysteries you're really wanting to get to the bottom of. And even, what does your subconscious want to know? I want you to understand the conclusions are coming. You'll see this towards the end with the Moonology card that comes in. You're looking for what caused this sudden change. So take a moment to evaluate what's going in your life and what deep in your gut and in your intuition will help you move forward. The full moon eclipse is truly coming November 8th, so this is a great time for you to break that. Now, what does it all mean? And thank you so much for staying to the end. There is so many of you wanting true love, the happily ever after, an understanding of what has caused sudden changes in your life. I think there are 3 ways you can address this. It's becoming whole within yourself, understanding your oneness, understanding what your intuition, your subconscious is telling you, and to go ahead and fulfill your dreams, start those new beginnings, allow new relationships, new clients, new partners to come in, and again, use your intuition to evaluate what caused the change and the best ways for you to move forward by the full moon, which is coming up November 8th. I love you for being with me. I'll be back again. Love and peace.